Can a machine create music that touches your soul? Imagine a computer writing a song so good it becomes your favorite tune. Sounds impossible? Well, think again. Today on AI Wini, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in music. Can AI really compose the next chart-topping hit? Or is there something uniquely human about the magic of music? Stay tuned to find out. And hey, if you're as curious about AI as we are, hit that subscribe button and join the AI Wini community for more amazing insights. AI is transforming every industry, and the music world is no exception. Tools like Amper Music, aiva, and OpenAI's Jukebox are rewriting the rules of composition. Did you know aiva can create stunning orchestral scores with just a few clicks? Imagine producing a professional-grade soundtrack without knowing a single note, and it doesn't stop there. OpenAI's Jukebox can generate full songs, lyrics, vocals, and all. It's like having a super composer at your fingertips. But the question is, can these tools truly replace human creativity? Let's dig deeper. Here's where things get nostalgic, and a bit controversial. AI can now recreate the voices of legendary artists. For example, A.R. Rahman used AI to revive the voices of late singers Bamba Bakia and Shahul Hamid for the song. It's a beautiful blend of technology and art, but it also raises some tough questions. Singer Palak Mughal says using someone's voice without their consent is a serious ethical issue. It's like taking a piece of their identity. What do you think? Should we celebrate this innovation, or should we be more cautious? Let us know in the comments below. Let's talk ethics. From copyright issues to emotional authenticity, AI in music isn't all sunshine and rainbows. In one shocking case, a musician earned millions by uploading AI-generated songs on Spotify. While impressive, it bypasses the traditional creative process and raises questions about fairness. Then there's the issue of fraud. Scammers have used AI to mimic popular artists, deceiving listeners and profiting unfairly. This misuse undermines genuine creativity and trust in the music industry. Here's a big question. Can AI truly capture emotion? Music has the power to make us laugh, cry, and feel deeply. Critics argue that while AI can mimic patterns, it lacks the lived experiences that inspire human artists. As singer Palak Mughal puts it, "How will you capture the exclusive emotion I bring?" This is where the human element in music, the interpretation, the storytelling, really shines. Not everyone sees AI as a threat. Some artists, like Richa Sharma, believe AI can enhance creativity, acting as a powerful tool to streamline production. Sapra predicts a resurgence in live performances, as people crave genuine, unfiltered talent. It's a fascinating balance. While AI may challenge traditional norms, it also pushes artists to innovate and evolve. The question isn't whether AI will change music, but how we'll adapt to it. So, what does the future hold? For AI to coexist harmoniously with music, we need clear ethical guidelines. Consent laws, transparency, and collaboration are key. AI should be a partner, not a replacement. Imagine the possibilities when human creativity meets AI precision. Together they can create masterpieces that transcend boundaries. At AI Wini, we believe the future of music is a harmonious blend of technology and artistry. What do you think? Will AI be the ultimate hitmaker, or will it always need the human touch? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Wini for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's explore the future together. See you in the next video.